Hi, so here we are to learn a few more things about functions which are going to be used in Python as well as a few operators in action. All right, let's go on to idle and start off with idle out there. Okay, so we just went through a few arithmetic operations yesterday. If you have a look, oh, I didn't save that. And we did a few addition. Okay, we did add, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. Different things we did, and we printed all of them. Correct? And this time we are going to start with a new program. Let's start with a new file, and let's understand. Let's make a function. Let's make a function which will return to me the sum of two numbers. Which will return to me the sum of two numbers. Let's say def, and let's say add, and it will take, say, a comma b. It will say take a comma b, two numbers, and then of course this time I don't want to just print it out here, okay, the addition of two numbers, but I want to return, okay, I want to return a value. Say return what should I return? If I am accepting two values, any two values, and they're putting it into a and b, and I'm going to return, I need to return the addition of two of them, that is a plus b. Okay, so return is a keyword which will return the corresponding value of whatever you are asking for it. Okay, now I can also return, okay, let's say instead of add, I'm going to do something like I need to return a plus b the whole square. What is a plus b the whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. I need to return a plus b the whole square. So I can write here, I can just say square for now. Okay, so I am going to return a plus b the whole square. Now a plus b the whole square can be written as like this. I can take the whole thing and say raised to 2. A plus b the whole square can be written like this. So I'm returning a plus b the whole square. Or I will return, let me say I can just return a square. I can also return like this, a square plus 2 into ab plus b square. Is this fine? Is this fair enough? All right. So once we understand this, so that means if I say square of a comma b is return a square plus 2ab plus b square, and then I'm just defining this function. So I save this and say square dot py. Okay, and I'm just saving that for now. Okay, and then after saving it, I'm going to run this program. So I say F5. When I say F5, okay, it has already made the function for you. You have not printed anything. Have you printed anything? No. You have just defined a function. So that means the function is defined. You are in the shell. The function is defined. Now, I need to call this function. Which function? Square function. I'll call the square function. Square. I have defined it. Square. And it tells me it requires a comma b, which means I need to give two values. Let's say 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Does it return to me? Oh, 25. 2 plus 3, the whole square is 5 square. That is 25. Okay, so does it return square of, yeah, it can return any value. 5 comma 7. And that is 144. 5 plus 7 is 12 square, that is 144. Okay, so we have the square like this. Now if I want to give only one of the parameters, let's say I give square of 5, will this work? Square of 5, will this work? Let's see. No, it says square is missing one required positional argument, and that is b. It says it is missing one required position argument. What it is missing? B. That means you have provided 5 to A, but you haven't given any value for B. So it is missing one required position argument. So what must I do? What must I do? I need to give that parameter, then only it will work. But sir, no. I want to give only one parameter. I want that the other parameter be it should be any default value. Okay, so if that is the case, then you need to redefine your function. In your function, I need to say, okay, if a is given as some value and b is not given any value, I need to give a default value to b. That means in the function itself, I am saying that my b is having a default value in case you forget to give it. Okay, so that means if I say b is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, and I save it and I run this, now my new function is defined. Now if I call the same thing, that is square of 5, if I say square of 5 and I say enter, it returns to me 100. That means 5 plus 5, the whole square is 100, which means it took b as what? It took b as 5. Okay, now coming to the question, sir, is a and b accessible outside the function? Are a and b accessible outside the function? Let's see. A, no, it says name a is not defined. B, no, name b is not defined. Sir, the a and b, the variables which were defined as parameters for the function, are active only inside the function. A and b doesn't have any identity outside the function. They are local variables within the function which cannot be accessed outside. Okay, so now can I say, now if I say, sir, I just want to call square, I don't want to give any parameters, can I do that? It says no, square missing one required positional argument a. That means b already has a value, default value, in case you miss it out, but a is required. Okay, which means you need to give a default value to both a and b. Let's say a is 9 and b is 5. A is 9 and b is 5, and then let me run. Now if I call square, oh, it says 196. Yes, that's true. 9 plus 5 the whole square. Yeah, that's 14 square, and that is, yeah, 196. Okay, now coming to my question, sir, what if I pass another value? Like say for example, I pass, see, it tells me a value is 9 and b value is 5. It tells me out here the default parameter. Okay, but what if I give 7 comma 2? Will it work? Will it work? Yes, it will, because 7 plus 2 the whole square. Those parameters are called as default parameters, but these parameters what you pass to the function are going to be considered over your default parameters. Is that very clear? Okay, if that is the case, can I say something like this, sir, so we have seen all those cases, but sir, can I say, when I say square of 5, when I say square of, all right, I say square of 6, square of, now tell me what output would you require? Square of 6, 121. 121. Square of 6, 121. What happened? Let's go back. A is 9, B is 5, but it returns a square plus b square, so a plus b the whole square. What did it take when you said square of 6? It took a as 6. You gave a as a new value 6, but you didn't give any value to b, which means a was 6 and b was 5. 6 plus 5 the whole square, 11 square is 121. But no, sir, I wanted this 6 to be assigned to b. I wanted a to have the default value as 9. I wanted b to be given a new value that is 6. How do I give b a new value? Here this a is being assigned a new value. Okay, how do I give b a new value? I can say square of, I'll say square of b equal to 6. When I say square of b equal to 6, and now when I say enter, it says, okay, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is what? 15. 15 square is 225. Is that right? Yes, that's true. So we understood, now we understood how to give parameters by calling him with their name, and we also understood how to give default parameters in the function itself. Okay, so now coming to a very important function which we did the first, that function was called as print. Okay, we did the function called as print.